IEBC must completely sever all ties with Smartmatic, a globally discredited company. Any continued engagement signals a compromised election. Chief Justice Martha Koome must expedite all pending general election cases before the High Court, especially those touching on unlawful procurement of electoral materials. Their outcome would directly shape 2027 preparedness.
We are entering the election year. Sisi kama the loyal opposition tumekuwa kwa IEBC. Tumewatahadharisha ya kwamba unless we have a clear roadmap up to the 10th of August 2027, hii nchi inaenda kuwa na shida. We are running out of time. There are issues that need to be fixed that have not been fixed. Tuliwaambia wa reducible minimum ilikuwa ya kwamba yule marjan aliyeiba kura ya baba, yule marjan atolewe. Tukasema Smartmatics ambayo inatumika kuiba kura hata sasa America, there is new evidence how Smartmatics is being manipulated.
We cannot go into next year's election with a discredited technology ile ambayo imeletwa na watu wa Smartmatic. We cannot, and therefore the judiciary, which is our last line of defense, must move with speed and ensure. And we are not asking to be favored. We are just saying, please ensure that those disputes are prioritized so that decisions are made one way or the other. Because IEBC has been intimidated